Hello everyone and welcome back. In this section you are going to learn how to use the round function. Right, so here we have got earnings before tax, we have got the tax expense, and we have got the net income. So we have got the tax rate here, which is 15.75%. What we want here to get this tax expense, we multiply this the EBIT figures here with this, right? So let's just see how to do that. So here we are going to lock this cell here, cell B3, that contains our tax rate, such that that cell here that contains the rate, when we multiply that will remain anchored or fixed as these values are changing. Okay, so this is the absolute reference, so we are anchoring that. So let's just see how to do that. So here we come, and to anchor that we press F4, and then we multiply by that here, by the EBIT figure there, and here we can double click to copy that down. So let's just also do the formula part. So here to get the net income, we subtract tax expense, and we also double click to get that. So here if we press Control down arrow, you can see that there are still values here and the decimal places are too big. So let's just come up with some totals here. So press Alt equals, that's the auto sum, then press Control Enter, and then press Tab. Let's just do the same, Alt equals, and then press Control Enter and press Tab, Alt equals and Control Enter, just like that. So here let's bold the text. So hold down Shift and highlight, and then press Control B. Let's add a top border, Alt HBP, and that will add the top border. So as you can see here, we have got 3 decimal places, and here we have got 3 decimal places throughout. But if you check here, you can see that there are many decimal places on these numbers here, the tax expense numbers. So we want to avoid that. So the way to avoid that, here all we want to do is we just want to link that. So when we link that, then we just drag that down here, right? So let's just drag it until we get here. So now we want to use the round function on our formula. So we start the equal sign, and then we write round, and then we press Tab, and then we select this tax rate, we anchor it, we multiply by this number, and then we choose the decimal places digits that we want, and for this example we want 2, and then we hold on Shift and close the parenthesis, and then we press Control Enter, and here as you can see we have got our tax expense. And if we add that, Alt equal Control Enter, you can see that we have got these figures. Instead of 3 decimal places, we just changed that by using the round function.